Morning. Hello, guys. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, today is my birthday. I'm super excited. I don't really like birthdays, like having yeah, getting a year older, but I don't know. I have a feeling today's gonna be a good one. And I'm only asking for the market to give me a very big green day. For me, at least. And for you guys too. So, thank you guys for being here. And what the only thing that I'm gonna ask you for you guys is to give me some love and like the video. Like the video. So, so we have a very interesting day today. Big gap thanks to NVDA. Gracias, Gonzalo. Thank you guys. I think I'm gonna trade futures, yeah. I have, I got 9 futures account. I already passed. No, I got 10 futures accounts. I already have 9 above 3,000, which is the amount that I needed to get. So I have two more that I need like a 1,500 or a little bit more than 1,500 to get to that 3,000 threshold, where then I only need to be like in and out of trades for 10 days so I can get approved, and that's it. But okay, let's go with the market. The market has everything has a big gap because of NVIDIA. So I would love to see the market filling that gap and seeing SPY going to 444, which is, it looks like it's doing it right now. SPY is going down till 444. So yeah, SPY 444, the Q 372 or 370. I would like to see everything filling that gap, and then I will feel more comfortable playing calls after that gap getting filled. But we'll see. We'll see. If not, I don't know. I kind of feel weird just trading calls out of the open with that gap. Yeah, well, the gap is not that big right now because SPY rejected 446 overnight. So it went all the way up with Nvidia earnings till 446 and rejected 446. So we know 446 is going to be an important level today. And 444, it's been an important support or resistance in the past. We want to see 444 holding today. So it's pretty much 444 or yesterday high. For the Q, we have 372. It's a big level there, 372 or 370, which is around yesterday's high. For when it comes to individual stocks, I really like Microsoft. I think Microsoft is very easy to trade. Um, we want to see, so Microsoft has a huge gap overnight till 334, and it's kind of rejected there, rejected 334, and we want to see it holding 330. So yeah, Microsoft, AMD, Google, SMCI. If you guys are on my Discord, you know what I'm looking for today. So yeah, let's be patient here. Let's be patient here. Ooh. So yeah, it looks like Microsoft wants to fill the gap. I think if Microsoft goes to 330, that will be a very good entry for calls. But first of all, I need to see the market like SPY and QQQ also filling the gap. So yeah, I want to see that gap getting filled. Let's see. I took one future contract there. I'm just gonna play the gap. Only one. Gonna be a quick. Yeah. Remember that I'm like learning how to trade with futures. So I'm gonna go kind of like slow with that. But yeah. So this account, it's I took it with the wrong account. I wanted to take it with another account because this one was already 3K up. Now 50, now it's 4K up. And so that already is past. I wanted to take it with this one that is at 52 and I needed to be over 53. Well, whatever. 200. 212. Okay, I got out. I just made 147 because I didn't want to trade this account. It's another one. Now I'm gonna trade this one also because the SPY is very close to 444. I think people are just profit taking. Like, I was expecting that. Like, look, AMD is right at 109. That level we need to watch. Microsoft have 330. Yeah. I like Google only if the market is strong. Okay, watching here how the market is gonna react around here. We still need a little bit more to 443.60 around there to fill the gap, but 444 it was a very strong support or like strong level in the past, but we still need to fill this gap here. So we'll see. Ooh, so I post these SMCI chart here. Look how I feel the gap. That was an ugly rejection there. Ugly rejection there. Yeah, AI, everything related to AI is gonna move today because of NVDA. So AI, Microsoft, AMD, all the semis, a lot of stuff. Let's see, okay. I wanna wait for a confirmation that if it's gonna hold here or it's gonna keep going lower and fill the gap. So far, it's still looking very weak. And I think we have Feds speaking at 10. Thank you, thank you. AMD's no life. Microsoft also, the Q very weak also. Let's watch here. Here we can have a little bounce here, 370, but SPY still needs to fill this gap. But 444, like I said, it's an important level, so maybe SPY just stays here and doesn't fill the entire gap. Well, let's be patient here and wait. Let's see what's NVIDIA doing. I'm not gonna try NVIDIA this entire week. I prefer to wait until like it finds like a good base. I want to see first NVIDIA where it's gonna like stop moving lower, like stop like after everybody take profit. I want to see what's the level of NVIDIA, and then I want to see consolidation, and then I will wait for a good entry. But first of all, I want to see some consolidation. Also, I've been noticing that after earnings, all stocks like kind of fade a little bit and then doesn't do anything for like 2 3 days. So I'll wait. Thank you, thank you. Okay, here comes almost a gap fill on the Q. AMD is starting to like kind of hold in here, 109. Same with Microsoft, 330, and SPY, 444. I took one contract on ES for the move up. It's a little bit risky. My stop loss is gonna be today's low. It's a little bit risky because we still have no confirmation that 444 is gonna hold. But we'll see. Okay, so the Q filled the gap. Spies is still not filled the gap. It's holding 444. I'm just looking for like a quick pop here to at least the VWAP or 9 EMA. Let's see. But it's still looking bearish. So Microsoft 330 is the level to watch. And AMD where it is right now, 109, 1010. Yeah, I was expecting a profit taking move, like going lower. We have a gap. Everything went up too much, so I will take profit if I had it was if I was playing NVIDIA overnight. I will definitely take profit at market open. 1010. What's 1010? Okay, I got stop out there. So I got stop out, but I still owe almost $600 here on this one. Mm-mm-mm. So if you guys feel like um if you don't trust the market right now, you don't know what to expect right now, don't trade anything, like just wait. Ooh. Right now, the number one stock that I'm watching is Microsoft. Microsoft is holding very good. It's holding very good. Okay. Okay. So far, are you guys waiting or you guys in any trade? It's still very early. It's only like 14 minutes after the market open. Mm-mm. Yeah. Google, what's Google doing? Google? Yeah, I love Google, but it needs to hold Google needs to hold 133, 134, fill the gap from yesterday. So yeah, Google and Microsoft are the one that I like for a bounce play. We have the gap fill already here also, but the Q is still very weak. And I think we have Feds talking today at 10. So we maybe need to wait until after 10 to play something like that it's safe. Okay. Ooh, playing puts here, it's a little bit risky. Like if you're entering here, too close to support. Like 443.50 could act as support, 444, and then you have the gap fill at 443. Okay, that's a bullish move. We want to see a SPY. I want to see it like holding 444 and give me like an engulfing bullish candle. But still, this can be, yeah, just a bounce and then reject 444. The queue so far is all red. Microsoft just lost 330. Good. Let's see if we're gonna hold here. The queue still looking weak. Okay, we might find a base here on the queue. This looks like a support, but let's see, we need confirmation. We want to see the queue using 369, 370 as support, more 370, and then going back up to 372. If I see the queue back up at 372, I will feel very comfortable longing calls. But so far, still weak. Look, Microsoft. Microsoft is just dying. And Google, I was expecting for Google to hold better because the entire past like 3 weeks that the market was down, Google, it was just kind of holding there. It didn't do much. It was just kind of consolidating there. And then after breaking this, when you have like a very long consolidation time, when breaks out, most of the times like a big breakout, like for a few days. So I was expecting Google to like at least hold here. It's still very early. Like we can have a bounce here and then Google go back up to 134, but we'll see. It's gonna feel Nvidia feel the entire gap. What? Ooh, still 480. 480 is the level that I have on Nvidia. Yeah, 480. If it goes back down to 470, that's a huge move. From 500 down to 480, that's $20. Yeah. Nvidia 480, that's the level to watch on Nvidia. But I will not, like I said, I am not gonna trade Nvidia this week. I will look for Nvidia next week, but so far, no. The premiums on Nvidia right now are not worth my money. Well, let me check. Maybe the premiums for recalls are very low right now because it went down so much at open, but still. Let's see how much are the NVDA calls. Let's say I want the 500. Oh, they're only 80% IV. It's still a little bit high, but getting the 500 calls is 360. It's not that bad. Let's see. Meta, even though it went down a lot, it's still green. Okay, I like that move on SPY. I want to see it like holding the VWAP and INEMA and kind of maybe consolidation around 444, and I've been looking for Google to hold 134. Okay, I like that move there. We want to see VWAP and INEMA acting as support, not as resistance. And that, with this move, plus the 9EMA and VWAP acting as support, plus already fill the gap, that way I will feel very comfortable holding calls, buying calls. If we can get like a break and retest or 444, it will be amazing. That would be like the perfect entry. Ooh, that's a pretty strong move. Okay. Let's see, are we gonna reject her or is it gonna use it as a board? Google and Microsoft are still under the VWAP and INEMA. Okay, I got. Okay, I like that move. Let's see now. Now we want to see a break in pre-market low. Use it as support. But Google and Microsoft are still very, very weak. What's NVDA? Okay, NVDA looks like it wants to find footing on 480. On that break of 440, I got in on futures 320, 400 up. Okay. 450, 500. I I sold one. I'm just gonna hold one. And I move my stop loss near my entry. Yeah, I'm 1,000% up on this account already. Okay, so we want to see SPY like holding these little resistance here as support. We want to see her break it there. Then 446. Okay, watch Google here, guys. We want to see Google. If Google can hold here and use and breaks VWAP, I want to see Google at 134. Yeah, I'm same with Microsoft. It's exactly the same play. You want to see either, if you want to play anything, wait for Google or Microsoft to use this level here as support. Use VWAP and INEMA as support, and then play calls. But SPY, it's stronger than tech, so probably NVIDIA is still like having problem there because the Q is not strong. Microsoft is having problem, Google is having problem. Watch NVIDIA here because it's trying to hold 480. That's your previous resistance. Again, I'm not gonna trade NVIDIA, but if you're looking to trade NVIDIA, watch 480. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. You want to see a SPY holding this support here, or at least the VWAP and INEMA as support. But that it's a clear rejection of this pre-market level. Yeah, look this. I'm gonna make a line there because it's a very clear like level there. So I'm only holding one here. If I see a SPY like regaining this area here and use it as support, I'm gonna enter more. But I'm gonna do it with mass, with minis, which is just cheaper. Yeah, I got there. My stop loss is gonna be if SPY loses the support here, the VWAP and INEMA. Oh, didn't buy me anything. What the heck? Oh, because I put market limit. Okay. I got in now. I got in the mini because the minis are like cheaper. Yeah. So yeah, we want to see a SPY holding here. Look, keeps rejecting there. NVDA bouncing from the 480 and kind of trying to break 90 EMA and the VWAP. Let's see. I'm watching NVIDIA because I think NVIDIA today is very important with the market, for the entire market. So it looks like I got stop out on ES because I put the stop loss at break even in case, so I didn't lose money on that trade. Yeah. AMD filled the gap. Yeah, everything filled the gap. If SPY breaks VWAP and INEMA, I'm getting out. Yeah, got out. That's an ugly move there. Weird, ugly move. But it's a clear rejection of um pre-market low. Ooh. So so the Q is extremely weak, but NVIDIA is holding. That's weird. That's very weird. I was expecting the Q to follow NVIDIA. Everything is weak right now. It looks like we're just the SPY just dancing around. This is a very choppy move here. Look how we went down and then bounce, and then we have exactly the same size of a candle. That's weird. It looks like a 3-bar play to the downside. And Nvidia keeps holding. See what Apple is doing. Yeah, it's pretty weak, but it's an inside candle, so Apple didn't couldn't even go to yesterday high to 182 to reject. And that's weird. Probably it's gonna go back down to 177 if the market keeps going lower. Ooh, Microsoft is almost at 326. That's a huge sell-off on Microsoft. Let's see how's the daily on SPY. SPY 443 is the next level, and then 442.50, around 442.50. Looks like SPY couldn't care less about the 444 level. Airlines. I honestly don't like play airlines. They barely move. They move like by cents. And I don't like playing stocks that don't really move. Okay, so we gotta. I'm just gonna wait for a good play because so far I don't see anything that I love. I was expecting the market to just fill the gap and then bounce from there after good Nvidia earnings, and so far we're just bearish. Wait, I'll be back. Oof. The market is just dead. Look this huge candle on Microsoft. That's a big move. I think this move is because maybe Jackson Hole started today. So yeah, everything fills the gap, but nothing looks like it wants to change direction. Only spy this bounce here when it went back up to 444 and tried to break um morning high, but it got rejected very ugly there. So everything is still looking pretty bearish. No, still no confirmation for a change of direction. Yeah, but I'm not gonna play a $900 stock, Donnie. That is not something that I'm gonna play. Yeah, maybe because we have Powell speaking tomorrow. So yeah, that can happen today. Like I said today on my Discord that to trading, like I put it here, like trading after a big move overnight, um it's very difficult. Like it's not easy to trade after having such a big move overnight. And it's okay to not trade anything and just wait and be patient. Like we need to understand that trading is about making money. It's not about being right or taking trades. It's about making money. So the better we can be patient and wait for a very good entry, the better our trading is gonna be. I know I miss the swing trades also, but I think also it's very important to understand that the market right now is not for swings, and we need to adapt to that. Like people believe that the more we trade, the more money we can make, and I think it's the opposite. We need to wait for perfect opportunities, for good entries, good setup. And even if we had a good setup, but we didn't take it because we missed our entry or we couldn't see it at a time, it's okay. We need to wait. There's nothing that we should be doing other than wait. I think like the more we trade and the more we see it and watch the chart, the more chance we have to lose. It's just like the casino. The more time you're sitting on a chair on a casino, you have higher probabilities that you're gonna lose money. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Look this 2 30-minute candle on the Q. That's extremely, extremely bearish. And watch NVIDIA if loses 480. 480, NVIDIA is looking weak, but if loses 480, it's gonna fill the rest of the gap. It's gonna give back the entire move, the entire gap up from last night. AI, well, if the entire market is down, we shouldn't be trading against what's the trend today. Is SPY gonna lose this level too? The Q is like dying. If NVIDIA breaks 480, I will wait for a break and retest for puts. NVIDIA at 480. It's trying to hold there. So the Jackson Hole started today. Last time that the Jackson Hole happened, the market went down like 4%. Like it went down a lot those 2 days. Okay, I need a bathroom break. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Thank you. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Uh, uh, uh. Thank you guys. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you. The only thing that I'm gonna ask for today is to like the video. That's the only birthday gift that I need today. Thank you. So NVIDIA is holding that 480. 480 on NVIDIA keeps holding. But the market is just dead. Thank you for subscribing and liking the video. That makes my day. Yeah, I know. I sold my short too early too. But yeah, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. That's life. Thank you guys. You guys are so kind. So kind. Um, so yeah. The market is pretty much dead. So playing puts at the gap was a play today. So it looks like the market doesn't like Jackson Hole. 40% on those puts? Nice, nice. Yeah, so I only traded futures and I'm still over 600 up. So not a bad day for me, but yeah, it could be like 3 times more or maybe like 5 times better. But I'm not gonna complain with 600 day. With that 600 day. Uh, I got Apex and also ETF. I got yeah, Apex the 50K account, and I got ETF the 100K account. And I got the 100 static account. So the static account works different with the trailing stop. I'm sorry, the trading losing whatever. I don't know what's the name for that. Let's see. Is oh the trailing drown down. Yeah, which that's the tricky things with evaluation accounts. They get you on that. That is what happened on my first account. Like I blow up my first account, but it was weird because I was green. Like I was 6K up on that account, but because I have one, like I was 8K up, and then I got one uh 2500 losing trade, and that killed my account. I was still 6K up, and I was over 200 up on the day, but just because when you have like a one, doesn't matter if you're up on the entire account, but if you hit their what's the thing, they're trailing round down. So for the 50K on Apex is 2500 or 2100. I like the 50K on Apex, but get I think the ETF is better, and you can have here. I think Apex is better. I'm sorry, Elite ETF is better, and use the Ahoy coin code, and you get 50% up. I'm sorry, 50% off. I think ETF is better. So I got, you can have these code. It's 60% off. Oh, you have 12 hours. Well, I don't know. Save 90. Okay. But what I like the static this account. It's different when it comes to the stop loss. It's six, so you're gonna have like 100K um evaluation account, but your target is 2000. When it comes to Apex, I got the 50K account and the target is 3K. And yeah, the static is different. The stop loss is different on this one. So that's why I got a 1 here, and then I have 9 on Apex before I discovered Elite. I like more, but I like more Elite. I like more this one. But Apex, let's see. I think that the Apex web page is ugly. It looks like a scam, honestly. But yeah, I got this one. So the goal is 3K, and the stop loss 2500. No, I haven't gotten paid. I just started this week. So I still haven't been approved. I just got 9, no, 8 accounts already above 3K. So now I just need to trade. I just need to take like a small in and out trade for I think 7 or 10 days, and then I will get approved if I'm still above 3K on my accounts. And the 100K account here, the goal is 6K and the stop is 3000. That's why I think this one is better. Elite. And it's cheaper too. Thank you. So we're thinking on trading, like I'm learning how to trade futures. I know it's completely different. Like trading futures different from options. But if you know how to do your TA is the same. No matter what you're trading, the technical analysis is always the same. Yeah, but on this, yeah, we can hold futures. That's why you guys see me like being in and out so fast here. But also, I'm not looking to swing trade futures like at all. I'm only looking to like pass those account, like get those account a little bit above 3K, and then I'm just gonna be in and out for like 7, 10 days until I get approved. And then I'm just gonna trade futures whenever I see a very good um setup, like gaps. I'm thinking on trading futures only when I see gaps on SPY, like today, like in the morning. When I trade this only, I know I only trade this candle here, but I'm up 600 only this 5 minute move. Instead of playing SPY options, I'm gonna play ES so I don't have to deal with the Greeks. SPY still has a little gap to fill here from yesterday, and same with the Q. Are we gonna see this? I don't know. Ooh. SPY from 4:45 that it opened today. 4:45 till 4:38. That's a huge move. Big one. Big one. Let's put NVDA here. Ooh, NVIDIA just broke 480. NVIDIA broke 480. That's gonna drag the market even more down. Let's see. Look the reaction here. NVIDIA really don't want to lose 480. I got NVIDIA puts, the 375, I'm sorry, 475 puts. I kind of like this weakness here around 480. My stop loss is gonna be this weak here. Let's see. But if NVIDIA keeps holding 480 and you make it, and it keeps like making a base around here, I think that's bullish. Let's see. Let's see if NVIDIA is gonna lose that. Let's see if NVIDIA really is gonna lose 480. So far, it kind of looks like it wants to. But 480 is a strong support. Let's see. So far, that play is only 9% up. Let's see. It's fighting the support. Mm, 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 mm. Spy's trying to hold that level there. Okay. Okay. 25% up on that. My PT is the gap fill, around the gap fill. Yeah, around 472. Mm-mm. And 33% up. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit here. AMD is at 102. AMD is dead. Dead, dead. Let's see. Come on, NVIDIA. Just give me the gap fill here so I can finish my day with this good trade. And I'm done for the day with that. Okay. Like that move. I like this candle here, how it rejected like it went up and then rejected 480. Now I want to see like the gap fill here, and that's it. Ooh, I'm kind of falling asleep here. I feel this right now is like very slow. Okay, so I think I'm done for the day today. I already took some profit on NVDA, 30%. I'm gonna keep holding as long as NVIDIA is under 480. I'm gonna keep holding my runners as long as NVIDIA is under 480. My PT is this gap fill here. And the market is still looking very bearish. So yeah, I'm gonna keep like celebrating my birthday and get out of here. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. See you. Oh, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. So see you Monday. Bye.